Actually, we are now from MGM Hospital, Chennai, MGM Healthcare Hospital, Chennai. So these are the specialist doctors, those who are jara ekhane present achen. Dr. Karunakaran, he is the spine surgeon, senior surgeon in MGM Hospital. Dr. Sivaram, he is an oncologist, surgical oncologist. Dr. Balaji is an orthopedician and spine surgeon, and he is Mr. Satyaswam Mukhopadhyay. He is actually looking after the entire marketing team. So, আমি এদের রিকোয়েস্ট করব যে Mr. Dr. Karunakaran will start his please say something about your hospital.
A very good evening to all of you. We are from MGM Healthcare, Chennai, Nangkokmani. It's the managing director is Dr. Prashant Rajagopal, and headed by the marketing team, Mr. Prasanna and Selva Ramasamy, taking care of rest of India. As I said, Mr. Sutosum is here to take care of the Northeast. And with me are the specialist, Dr. Sivaraman, the surgical oncologist, and senior spine surgeon, Dr. Balaji. So what we want to tell from MGM Healthcare, it's a multi-speciality hospital. It's one of the fastest growing healthcare facility in India. So in a short span of 5 years, we could reach many parts of the country and provide the healthcare services. We are high-end specialty where we provide high-quality service to all walks of life. I am the director of spine specialty, MAS, MGM Advanced Spine Specialty, where we work as a team. Multiple spine surgeons work together in solving different problems. We have done a pioneering work in endoscopic spine surgery, which is basically without any sutures. We do spine surgery particularly for problems like sciatica, L4, L5 disc prolapse, L5S1 disc prolapse. We do it, and for cervical disc prolapse, we do under sutureless endoscopic spine surgery. There are other specialties like deformities, somebody with a spine which is bent, which is called scoliotic spine. We cater to many parts of the world. We serve international patients from Oman, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and from different parts of the world, people come to our center for specialized healthcare. And we also do minimal invasive spine techniques where we don't have to open the spine. We make small holes, put in screws to fix and align the spine to get them back to the normal life. People always are worried that they are not able to get back to the normal life, but here at spine surgery we do a very precise work to get them back to normal life. We also take care of tumors. When it comes to spine tumors, we work in tandem. We associate ourselves with the spine, with the oncological team, where they do the medical evaluation. The surgical specialists like Dr. Sivaram and his team help us in solving spine-related tumors. And we also work in collaboration with the neurosurgical team when it comes to the intraneural spinal tumors. I would request Dr. Balaji to say a few words on minimal invasive spine surgery.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Balaji. I am a senior spine surgeon from MGM Healthcare. So in our hospital, the minimally invasive procedures like MIS, TLIF, OLIF, ALIF. Let me tell you all the expansion of these things. Transfemoral lumbar interbody fusion is MIS, TLIF, and oblique lumbar interbody fusion is OLIF, and ALIF is anterior lumbar interbody fusion. These maximum the skin incision will be less than 1 or 2 centimeters, and with that incision we will be able to approach both the disc as well as we will be able to put the screws. So that is the pioneering work which we do at MGM Healthcare, and the use of this MIS TLIF is that the skin incision will be less, the muscle damage will be less, and we use dilators to enter inside rather than burning or destroying the muscles, so that this way post-operatively the patients have less pain and the need of giving analgesics is also less, and we can easily ambulate them, meaning we can make them walk immediately after the surgeries. Like the patients who undergo endoscopic discectomies are made to walk immediately within 2 to 3 hours of the surgery. And these are the latest technologies which is available in anywhere, any part of the world. So we at MGM Healthcare give the same advanced treatment to our citizens. Okay.
Dr. Sivaraman would say something about the specialty in surgical oncology.
Good evening, dear friends from Agartala. We have had patients coming over and to Chennai. Chennai is considered the medical capital or a hub for healthcare especially. And over the years, we have also had the privilege of treating a lot of our patients from this part of the country. So we decided as an institution to have a more formal association, and Sutrasom is here to facilitate the care for patients who travel. We want to keep it more organized and structured for people to have care, and continued care would be made available by in terms of follow-up visits. So I am a cancer surgeon, and anywhere in this world in this 2024 we see cancer becoming more and more of a problem. And often I say, when diagnosed with cancer, the first treatment is always the best treatment. So we would like to extend our expertise and across the country. We have had people coming over, but we would like to say that take the chance to come and seek attention and even for workup and the initial treatment at the initial stages. Later on, we can facilitate continued care at your local place with your interacting with your physicians. People from our institution would take turns to come over and have make sure that follow-up is not missed out. So the world is moving at a very rapid pace. So and only way that Northeast can, till the time that facilities and infrastructure becomes available easily across the country, we need to, right now travel infrastructure is well established, and laboratory services and other healthcare facilities are there. So for specialized cutting edge surgery, the initial diagnosis and treatment, we extend our welcome to our people and friends from Northeast. So we have a standalone MGM Cancer Institute with all services right from nuclear medicine to medical oncology, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, PET CT scan and SPECT CT scan, also nuclear medicine diagnostics and even theranostics therapy. That is, in simply put, whatever treatment you can get anywhere in the world, to the best of that ability, we can deliver in one single roof. So we have that competence and capabilities. We serve people with minimally invasive surgical oncology procedures. We are acquiring the robo the coming month. So anything related to cancer, MGM Cancer Institute can be that one stop where you don't have to go around looking for whether this is available, that treatment particular thing is available. We have bone marrow transplantation. We have a team doing pediatric bone marrow tumors, pediatric hematology tumors, lymphoma. So Sutrasom will be our point of contact here. So we hope, and Gosher is going to be here. So to facilitate all of this for you. So we are launching ceremony. Yeah, that's better. Please. Sorry, you are the one. Yeah.
So we are launching our MGM Connect clinic in Agartala with association of Mediset, and Khwlaijakha will be our local guardian.